Good evening. I'm coming to you from Brunswick, Georgia. We're here at the Fairfield Inn by Marriott. We're going to go inside and get checked in. This is where we're staying for the night when we're on our way back to Florida, back home. So we're going to go get checked in, see what this place is all about. Take you on a little tour, take you on a tour of our room. So come along with us. Let's go make some memories. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before we get started.
Right here looks like they have a smoking area and it's a little private, which I like. Not everybody's watching you smoke. And then they do have a Uber pickup and drop off here. A garbage can. Around there's plenty of hotels to choose from, to be honest. Here's the front desk. And they do have a marketplace here. They have a water fountain. Their business area here with a printer. And a nice sitting area here with a TV. I guess if you had to eat breakfast there, you could. Best wishes, Blue Angels. Oh, cool. And the bottom floor right across the elevator. It's the ice machine. Is there no pool here?
Fitness center and pool is also this way.
Okay. The fitness center and pool is to the left of the elevator. Kitchen for the staff only. It's all the way at the end, guys. Let's see. We have stairs and the fitness. Okay. Hold on to it. All right. The fitness room is pretty large. Good machines. They look like they're in good shape. Good equipment. Okay. Equipment looks nice. Brita hydration. Oh, I like that. That's pretty cool. That's the nuts and bolts.
It's different.
That's interesting, yeah. Brita, supposedly. Trash, dirty towels. They have towels. Okay. Oh boy, be careful, please. Please wipe down after each use. That's good. Okay. Complimentary headphones at front desk. Okay. Where's the pool? Oh. Did you figure that out? Come on. Right outside the stairs, so you have to go through the stair door, is the pool area, which I pretty much am sure it's closed to this point. But anyway, here's the pool. It does have some sitting area, some tables. They do have rinse-off shower and a drinking fountain. Plenty of space. It's a nice looking pool. Another nice looking pool. The deepest area is 5 feet. They do say no lifeguard on duty and dawn to dusk. Look at the sky.
Yours.
Pretty, right? And the fitness room is right off of that pool area.
Guys, look at the sky. It's so pretty.
So leaving the elevator, we haven't spotted if there's any ice on this floor. We'll look for it, but we're all the way at the end on this side at least, and we don't see any ice machines, so maybe at this very end. Our room is actually 300, which is right here. And it's linen storage and the stairs, so no, not on this side anyway.
There's no ice up here, I don't think.
That's what I'm saying, at least not on this side. It's linen.
Back down.
All right. So this is the room. I'm not sure if that's the maximum room rate, but there it is. Here is the sink. It is separate from the toilet and the shower. They gave us cups, which do have holes in it, the plastic bags, so I'm not sure about that. Tissues, which are torn, but I don't know if he tore it. And a garbage can, some storage down there, some towels. I like this closet space right here in front of the bathroom. It does have good storage. There's the hair dryer, the ironing board and iron, and some hangers and some lights, so I like that. Here's the bathroom, which is separated by a door, which is like, it could be good in the morning when you're prepping. Now, I don't know if you can see, but the toilet looks pretty clean. But I don't know if this was just shoddy workmanship or what's going on here, because it does look like it's been remodeled recently, but it's kind of badly done. So I'm not sure about all that. The shower has same issues down here with the grout. But there's tons of hairs throughout, at least 5 of them, and we haven't stepped into the shower yet. And there's like a pink spot there, like a soap residue or something. So I don't know, I just don't have a lot of confidence that this shower is very clean. And that kind of worries me about the rest of the room as well, I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, I always come around with my disinfecting wipes, and I am gonna do that today and see how it comes out, and I'll let you guys know if I did find something gross. There's a garbage can there with recycling. Then there's a space here, the furniture that has plenty of drawers for storage. This nice space on top. It is the length of the whole room pretty much. Also, there's this full-length mirror here. It is carpeted throughout, which I don't love either. Here's the thermostat, so we don't handle it from the unit itself. The beds that I will check in a minute. Also, there's this nice swivel chair. Looks pretty clean. Then this is where I think the mini fridge was supposed to be, but for whatever reason it is now outside. And Dan did say that it doesn't feel that cold, so we will not be putting anything perishable in here. It doesn't feel that cold. It feels a little like a little chill. That's it. So then there's the coffee machine, ice container, and then the lights. They have this one. They have a microwave up here. Rather clean. This is a non-smoking room. We already know that. There are switches here and some lights. Let's see where the lights come up above. So there's lights there. There's lights, that's the lamp, and then the light in this corner here. Then there's lights by the room. See, I don't know, like I said, it was a color green before. I don't know if you guys could see that, but like there's definitely green there, and it looks like it's just peeled off from when they remodeled, but they did a bad remodel potentially. This is nice for reading. Very soft lights, I like that. This one has good whatever. I like that it's leather chairs, easier to clean. I don't like fabric because I'm creeped out about who sat there before. This is our view outside. We are surrounded by hotels and just the parking lot itself. But that's about that. Then let me show you this area here. There's another one of those lights on that side, and then these two in the middle, and more light switches here with the phone, a pad and a pen, and the two, the Holy Bible and the Book of Mormon, and a little bit more storage there. Now let's check these beds out. There's a stain there, but nothing that looks gross. This bed looks all right. Let's see this one. I like sharing this with you guys because I'm so picky. So hopefully you guys don't mind. I don't know what that is on there, so I'm gonna make sure I wipe that down. But yes, so this is the room so far. I am gonna clean it real quick and let you guys know real quick if I found something really gross. So I just finished wiping down, and it wasn't too bad. I mean, whether it was the person who stayed here before or the cleaner, the person that cleans the room, somebody has hair issues, because that's what I found the most of, was hair all over. In the chair, there were crumbs on the edges, wedged in there and stuff, so it kind of came out gross there, but nothing too terrible that I would be so grossed out that I couldn't stay. The beds were clean, which is most important to me, and so I would say all in all, maybe an 8 out of 10 for cleanliness.
Good morning. So we're getting ready to check out. I thought the breakfast was a little limited, but the things they did have were like the pork sausage, the round ones. I don't know where they got that sausage from. It's not like a typical one. It was kind of spicy, but it was still pretty good. Not bad. Sleeping wise, I know Tori had a pretty rough night. She was uncomfortable in the bed. I didn't sleep that great either. I slept better than the night before at a different place, but the little one did like her stay here. She enjoyed it. For us, it was okay. I mean, it was a hotel passing through on our way home, and it served its purpose, I guess, to let us get a little bit of rest and get cleaned up and have breakfast. So we passed through Brunswick again. We've had issues with Brunswick. We had another hotel we stayed in Brunswick that we didn't like at all before. But I guess maybe bypass Brunswick and head somewhere else, I guess. I don't know. All right, so if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button down below. If you like seeing hotel reviews, we got a whole playlist on our channel of these from different cities all over the place. So all kinds of different hotel brands as well. Make sure you're subscribed. Ring that notification bell so you're alerted when we post new future content. And if you do like our content, we hope you do. We hope that's why you made it to the end of the video. Check this one out next. All right, guys, safe travels. We'll see you on the road. We'll see you soon.